Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE T40 Pro and let me share with you how to clear a browsing history on this device. So let's start with opening your browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your own browser. So now all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. In my case it is an arrow because I need to update my Chrome, but trust me, here we've got three dots icon. Then let's tap on delete browsing data, and here we've got some basic options like visited websites, opened tabs, cookies cache and other site data. Here we can change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time. And after choosing, simply tap on delete data. However, if you wish to remove some advanced browsing history, just tap on more options, and here we've got them. So in advanced we've got saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you wish to remove something, make sure that it is marked, so I will remove everything. And here at the top we've got the time range, so you have to change it right here if you wish to, and then tap on delete data. We just got back to the home page, which means that we just successfully removed browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.